Welcome back, dear students. In this lesson, we are finalizing things up. We have developed a vanilla Solidity powered ERC20 token, fungible token on Ethereum, and then we have modified it, see a lot of things, learned about the libraries, modifying it and setting it up with Solang Solidity for Solana in the previous one. So in the previous one, I stopped at trying to deploy. So now, what I want to do is, considering the previous one has helped you to have basic solid understanding about the contract structure, and you have seen a lot of the syntax as well. So you will just go to the repo, which will be under the resources, and I will clone it, follow it step by step how you'll be able to use it and deploy your token. So with that, you will see those steps you've learned in the previous one, and then this time we'll deploy and do the tests. So the first thing, if you come to the repo, then you want to copy HTTPS, then open the folder where you want it to be, your system. Then we can git clone. CD into this, let me copy. CD. Then we can open it in the code editor. VS Code. Yeah. So we have it cloned. Everything is already set up for you there. There is the Solidity contracts. You can see it is the same thing we wrote earlier in the previous lesson. Then the tests. So everything also is there. Usually you will see all this. You see a lot of things like this as well. So remember, like I said, once we run the things, a lot of things will be adjusted there. So here we have that. Then we have the anchor. All these, remember, have been set up based on what we did the previous one. The package JSON as well, they are there. Then remember the SPL token JSON. Yeah. I think those are the major things we need here. Now, so first let's come to terminal, new terminal. Remember, I'll just advise to get things up. You can just yarn install so that later on we don't have any issue. Yarn install, confirm it again. Yeah, to be sure. If it's not done, maybe network, then it will continue and try to finish the setup. So that's why you want a second time to confirm. Then the next one we want to do now is, this is the token. Remember I said the program ID, which you also need to change in here. You see that they should always be like the same here. So let's first run anchor build so that we can build our targets, and that will also help us to fix this one. Yeah. So the target folder will be auto created here. See it? So it created the IDLE and then the minter as well. So this has been solved. Then the next one is anchor deploy. So to deploy to the devnet, or if you are on mainnet, good, deploy successfully. Remember the program ID, just copy it, go here, replace it with this, save, then go inside the anchor term also and replace it. Yeah. So since we've done that, we can rebuild. So the deploy, we don't need to redeploy because it's the smart contract. This that we change inside the term anchor.term file is just for us to run, connect with that particular. So this is like we want to connect with this contract deployed. So you want to go in there and check. So before we run, okay, we are running the test. Yeah, let's run the test. So that will be anchor. Remember I said run test. If you do anchor test, it will run the first build, deploy, and then everything again. So specifically, we want it to run the tests. So these are part of the troubleshooting. You always have errors. So just try to read the instruction. And if you are stuck, you can ask for help in the community. We'll be there to support. So failed transactions, help incorrect program ID for instruction. Program ID incorrect. Let's run this again. Build. Then deploy. Done. We can see that this is correct by inside the anchor. This is also correct, right? It is. So also have it there. Then let's run the test again. Good. So you can see it. So those are part of how you can troubleshoot. I've done that with not the build, deploy, test, debug. We have done all this here. There will always be errors here and there. So at times you just need to try again or try over. Make sure you check around. You see that things are well as how they should. And once they are, try only build again on deploy again, then run test. Or when you are sure you have done everything, you can just run anchor test and it will do the same thing. If I run anchor test, it will perform the three. You see is building first, then also now deploying. You see it has built, all these are building, then it started deploying. Yeah. Then you see once it finished deploying, it will also run the test. So that's the single anchor command that combine the three: anchor build, anchor deploy, anchor run tests, all combined into anchor test. So you can see that it has deployed. And you notice that we are able to still redeploy to the same program address. So that makes it easy on Solana compared to Ethereum. So you can see it now. It's also successful and it's done. And if you check here as well, you can always see some log based on those things. You see success, mint, token, and all those things. You see mint too, as these are logs that give you information about what is there. We can see it now. So if we take this, so that's it. We have been able to successfully do, and now we can go to explorer.solana.com. Then depending on the cluster, you set it up. So that's what you will check on this. I guess my network is slow. So it's Solana. Then you can change from mainnet to whichever you are. So DevNet. We deploy on DevNet. So let's have that search. Copy it in. Then let's go. You can see it now. So this, the actual wallet upgrade authority that was used to deploy it. You can see if you check on that token. So that's how the wallet you use to deploy the token. So you'll be able to see there are a lot of token with same name here, but you can see them. So you'll be able to see all your token as that you have minted right under your wallet that you use. Just select, make sure you're on the, if you pick mainnet, it may say the account is not existing. So make sure you pick the right one you use, which will be DevNet for testing. So that's just it, how you can check on. Can I see the last one we did? Let me see. Okay, I think it was this. You'll be able to see it. You can see it. So this is the token. It says coin supply mint authority, freeze authority. That's your wallet. Then the decimal I told you is 9. We minted this amount of supply, which if you go under this place, you'll be able to see where it was added. Let me move this a bit. F3, no? F3. And yeah. So this is the amount of token. You know, it's 9 zeros. Remember on Ethereum as well. So when we are minting it, over here you need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you're actually minting 1000. So these 9 zeros should be there. Then the number you want to mint. So at the end of the day, in the Explorer, you only see, you won't see all these 9 decimal, you only see this right there. So that's it. I believe this has been a long walk over, and if you get stuck, you need support, you need help, I think this is a good start for you as a developer seeking to extend your Solidity knowledge, or just new want to learn Solidity and see opportunity in Solang Solidity. Then this is for you. Always available there to support in the community. Head on, take through these resources, the exercises, and then you can, when you pass all those things, you can get the certification. That's it. It's been a wonderful ride with you all this while. Let's know, sending feedback, what should be improved in this course, and more and things like that. Thank you so much. See you in the next advanced courses on Solang, Solidity. Bye for now. I remain Solomon Foske. Keep the programming spirit alive, your only assurance to succeed as a developer. Please always do good to humanity and nature with your coding skill and not evil. Bye.